For today's video, we're going to be identifying patterns, and we're going to use examples like the ones above me. So let's go ahead and check those out now. So we're simply going to complete the patterns below. So as you can see here, I've got an orange flower and a purple flower, and we're just going to follow the pattern that it's starting here. So we have an orange flower and then a purple flower. What comes next? That's right, the orange flower. And then what's after that? The purple flower, and then what? The orange flower again, and then finally, yep, the purple flower. What about for this one here? Now I took it out of order a little bit from the previous one, but if you look carefully, we've got drinks here. We've got a grape drink, grape juice, lemonade, strawberry, and orange juice. So looking at the beginning there, we have grape juice. So what's going to follow that? That's right, lemonade. And then what's going to follow lemonade? Very good. It's going to be strawberry. And then what's the only drink left that we haven't used? That's right, it's orange juice. And what about for this pattern here? Now this one you got to look at a little more carefully here. So we've got three kinds of pencils. We got a blue, a red, and a yellow. Okay, so looking at this carefully, what's the first missing pencil here? What color is that going to be? Yep, that's right. It's going to be the red pencil. And then what's the second missing pencil here? What's that going to be? That's right. It's the blue pencil. And now what's the last pencil that's not here? What's missing? That's right. It's the yellow pencil here. What about these ice creams? Let's look at the pattern here. And again, you got to look at it carefully. And what's the first missing ice cream? Now, if you look carefully, we've got chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and then the blue one here, I guess you can call it bubblegum. So what would the first missing ice cream be? That's right, it would be bubblegum. And then looking at the bubblegum pattern here that they got, what's the ice cream that's missing next to bubblegum? That's right, it's the chocolate ice cream. And then what about the missing piece here, the final one? What's that going to be? That's right, it's going to be, looks like strawberry again. So now we're going to look at some oranges and strawberries here. And what's the first missing fruit there? What's it going to be? That's right, it's going to be a strawberry. And now looking at the pattern here, what's the next missing fruit going to be? That's right, it's going to be an orange. And then what's the last piece of fruit going to be here? That's right, it's going to be a strawberry. And so what kind of patterns can you make? Can you think of any other kind of patterns that you can do? Why don't you try them out? And if you would like to share it, you could put it in a comment down below. Now I put these up here just to kind of give you some ideas, but if you can think of any of your own kind of patterns or anything like that, go for it, okay? So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.